Ta'ala Barakatuhu. The great Arewa women for Tinubu Shettima, executive members of this group, APC supporters, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening all. I would like to begin the press conference by expressing our total support and solidarity for the nomination of Honorable Dr. Abbas Tajjudeen as the Honorable Speaker of the 10th National Assembly. As the President of Arewa Women for Tinubu Shettima, I stand here to present our collective decision and resolution in favor of Honorable Dr. Tajjudeen, an APC member representing Zaria Federal Constituency from the Northwest, based on merit. We believe that Honorable Tajjudeen is the most suitable candidate for the position based on his profile, excellent track record, work experience, academic qualifications, contribution at the National Assembly, bills presented and passed for the implementation, support to the party, and loyalty to leadership. Millions of Nigeria have also spoken about the based on popular choice. Our APC leaders and Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu have been direction in this matter, and we urge the elected members of the new assembly, party loyalists and supporters to endorse and buy into the APC leadership direction for the party to move on without delay. This will enable lawmakers to provide the much need quality policies and oversight function in an innovative way. We, the Arewa Women Movement and other stakeholders will continue to support this decision on the right direction to achieve our party's agenda at all levels, while showing our loyalty to our leaders in mobilizing the much needed support round the clock to ensure effectiveness and efficiency in discharging of their duties and responsibilities. We strongly urge members of the elected 10 National Assembly, governors, senators, party officials, and members and other stakeholders to please support the emergence of Honorable Tajjudeen from the Northwest as the Speaker. Honorable Abbas is the team builder, and he will make a big difference in the discharge of his duties and responsibility as a Speaker. We appeal to everyone to lend their support to the emergence of Honorable Tajjudeen from the Northwest as the preferable choice for our 10th National Assembly in the interest of moving legislative activities forward. Thank you very much. May Allah make it easy for all.